lot of parents where they say, I want to look for a school that helps build my child's self-esteem. That's not going to happen. Your child's self-esteem is built at home by the parents. And it doesn't always just come by loving your kid, because everyone loves their kid. But not every kid ends up with high self-esteem, right? It's about liking your kid. It's about letting your kid know that they are liked, they are approved of the way they are. I like what you're wearing. I like the colors you put together. I like that you chose to help your friend. I like the way you think. Letting them know that they are liked and that you approve of them does so much for their self-esteem. They're loved, and kids usually know they're loved. But kids also know that they're not liked, that their choices are not approved of. So one of the things that we can do to boost self-esteem for kids, because kids who feel better, do better. And if we want our kids to behave better, we need to make them feel better. And it just comes with very simple phrases like, I like what you think.